money is important to the deal. But if you're making your decision on whether you want to bring this license or sign a licensing deal with his partners solely on what they're willing to give you or provide in terms of an upfront payment or a guarantee payment, that's a big mistake. And the reason it's a mistake is because you could be sacrificing a good partner for the sake of your thinking that you're going to get more money from somebody else up front. Remember, just because you get a lot of money up front doesn't mean ultimately your licensing deal is going to be the best, most successful deal. On the contrary, you could have a company that wants to give you a bunch of money up front, but then they fail to perform. And so now you're stuck with the partners not doing anything with money that they gave you on the contract, which may be paid out over the course of the contract based on performance milestones, which they may or may not meet anyway. Okay. And if you made your decision to go into it simply because they were giving you an extra $50,000 or $100,000, that could wind up costing you much more being stuck in that agreement.